for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the pound-dollar pair and recent events during the markets. Greg?
The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The euro rose 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
China's gold reserves rose to 73.61 million fine troy ounces at the end of February, as the central bank kept buying the precious metal for a fourth straight month. China's gold reserves were valued at $208.64 billion at the end of last month, up from the $206.53 billion at the end of January, central bank data showed. Shares of DoorDash, Williams-Sonoma, Expand Energy and TKO Group rose after an announcement they would join the S&P 500. The four companies will join Wall Street's most widely followed stock benchmark before the start of trading on March the 24th. A critical inflation report in the coming week could further rattle an increasingly tumultuous US stock market, with investors worried about an economic growth slowdown and President Donald Trump's tariffs. Despite a gain on Friday, the benchmark S&P 500 marked its worst week in 6 months.
Thank you. And now let's go through today's major economic events.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. Finland's industrial output at 6 GMT. Germany's exports will be released at 7 GMT. Japan's leading economic index at 5 GMT. Japan's money supply M2 plus CD at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.